Today I have a bathtub and I'm going to show you how to remove the mold from the caulk. As you can see right here, the caulk right here, it is no longer completely white. You have mold growing on it, and you possibly have mold growing in between the tiles right here. Now, it's not too bad in this particular bathtub right now because I often try to remove the mold on a regular basis to keep it from building up and becoming really moldy. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have something, apply something in order to get the mold out. You'll see that the tiles, the space between the tiles, that will become white. Down here, get rid of the mold right here, will become whiter. And what I'm going to be using to do this is a tile or caulk cleaner. Right here, I have Clorox mold and mildew. This is specifically made for this type of situation that I'm doing. I like Tilex Plus made by Clorox because it actually gets the job done. It says that it kills 99% of mold and mildew. You see right here, it says works on glazed and unglazed ceramic tile, grout, tubs, shower doors, and vinyl curtains. You can use on fiberglass, counters, sinks, and plastic. Now with this, it has some directions and instructions and warnings that you should read before using this product for your health and safety. All right, so read that yourself so you know specifically how to use the product. Okay, it says directions for use, yada, 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 yada. Says right here, turn on nozzle, spray surface until thoroughly wet. Let stand for 5 minutes and rinse. This product kills salmonella, staphylococcus, and a couple other things. It says to remove mildew stains, spray 6 to 8 inches from surface until surface is completely covered. Allow foam to penetrate mildew and problem areas. Wipe with wet sponge or cloth and rinse. Heavy mildew buildup require longer contact time or 2 cleanings. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to spray this right here. Okay, so I have it, it's turned on. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray this right where the mold is. You see, it's not completely black, but it's brownish down there. And you'll see, get in close so you can see this a little bit better. You'll see that is going to transform right here. Look at that, transform to white right here. So I've done that. You don't need to go crazy with it. You just need to let it go right there and just let it sit and soak. And on the tiles right here, what I'll do is I'll start higher up and it'll drip down, but you want to make sure that you get that area right there between the tiles in order to get that nice and white. Okay, so I'm spraying this. It's going to drip, 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 drip. I'm going to get down here. You can see how this is not completely white. So I'm going to get in there. I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes because I want this to really get in and get the job done the first time. All right, down here. Now this stuff can be strong, so I'm going to turn, shut the door, shut the door, and turn on the vent so some of the fumes can be vented out because I don't want to be breathing this stuff in. So I sprayed it up. And I'm going to let that sit. All right, it's been about 45 minutes, but like Leah said, time is just a number. All right, so you can see right here that it is white. All of the parts right here that we're trying to get white has turned white. There's a little bit down in there right here that I could do another application right here to get that a little bit more white. That's what I'll do. But for the majority of it, you can see the tile, in between the tile, it is perfectly white, really white. The stuff works. You could use another dose of this, spray it down like that to get it done. It says to wipe it up with a cloth, but like Leah said, I ain't got time for that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it. So I have a little cup right here. And just gonna take this, see right here, and I just rinse it because it has a strong bleach smell to it. You want to get rid of that. You don't want it to sit forever because you'll be smelling bleach all the time, unless you're one of those people who have a thing for the bleach smell, which I don't. So I'm rinsing this. Make sure you get the walls as well. Get the walls. You can probably turn on the shower. If you have a shower hose, you take the hose and spray the shower walls. But it came clean, and if you need to reapply it, you can. There's only one section that looks like it needs to be reapplied. That's down there, possibly other areas, but for the most part, it is completely white. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.